Of the following. Let's take a look. Let's let Desmos do a little work for us here. So as Desmos does a little work for us, we'll just keep going. The third root of negative 27, let's see if that's possible. Nth root, we can do the third root of negative 27. We get negative 3. So I'll go ahead and mark that one. Now remember, if you're using your TI-84 calculator, you would put in negative 27, and then you'd use the little caret sign, and we use fractions, so this would be to the 1/3 power. You probably need to put parentheses around your 1/3. So let me write that a little bit bigger. If you're using your TI-84, you do negative 27, and you'd use the little caret sign, and you'd raise it to the 1/3 power. And so this is the sequence that you would type in order to get negative 3 with your TI-84. This is just kind of give you a heads up. All right, let's take a look at the fourth root of negative 28, the nth root. And we're going to do the fourth root. I said 28, I think. It's negative 81. Negative 81 is undefined. Let's see, negative 7 times negative 7 squared would be 49, but let's see what the calculator does. Let's just do, okay, we can do nth root, or we can type in square root. It's going to be the square root. We can put it in exactly like we see it, negative 7, and we're going to raise it to the second power. And notice how it changed its mind and it came back and said it is 7. But remember, because it's a square root, the answer would be plus or minus 7 would be the final answer on that one. And finally, negative 49, we know it's an even power. So even powers cannot take the square root of negative numbers. Okay? So we won't even go to Desmos for that one. For any real number, the nth root of a to the n is just the number itself. Okay, if it's odd, if it's even, we get that plus or minus again. So this would mean that the answer would be plus or minus a, whereas it would just be a if it's an odd power.